Why females feel more anxiety. Anxiety in women is more common than many people realize. It can feel like constant worry, racing thoughts, a pounding heart, or a sense that something bad is about to happen, even when there is no obvious danger. Women may experience anxiety due to a combination of factors, including hormonal changes, work stress, family responsibilities, financial pressures, or major life events. Symptoms can include difficulty sleeping, irritability, fatigue, trouble concentrating, muscle tension, and feelings of overwhelm. The good news is that anxiety is treatable. Simple steps such as regular exercise, deep breathing, mindfulness, healthy sleep habits, and talking to supportive friends or family can make a big difference. Professional help from a doctor or mental health specialist can also provide effective treatment and coping strategies. Remember, anxiety is not a sign of weakness. Recognizing it and seeking support is a sign of strength. If anxiety is affecting your daily life, don't suffer in silence. Help is available, and recovery is possible. Take care of your mind, because mental health matters.